I think from a distance this tree is starting to look pretty good. What we're left with now is this bush in the front corner. Let's get that done and I think we're finished. Get some browns in there, because this is very much in the foreground. And then we're going to go over it with the green and the yellow again. And then we're just about done with the painting and it's time to sign it. I hope you've enjoyed this project. Please do give it a try yourself. You get the small set of Cretacolor Aqua Sticks or Neocolor too, although those are a little different because they're more opaque. This brand, they are actually a very hard oil pastel. They're not quite as creamy as the Neocolor 2 ones, so handling them is a bit different. One of the ways you can soften up an oil pastel that's a bit hard is to heat it a little bit. You just kind of hold it near the heater. I've got a space heater here, off stage a bit, and I'm just holding the stick next to it for a moment just to warm up the tip. And yep, I'm getting a thicker, smoother stroke coming off of it now, at least the part of it that was heated. The other thing that's good is to try and pick up some water, work with the damp tip. That'll change the texture. Okay, now let's bring some more green back in here. Now where the water was, it's mixing some of the colors that we've got. You have to let it dry in order to lay other colors over it. And we're going to give a little contrast here, put some more browns, this like patch of brown. Get the orange into the kind of brown patch of wheat that's coming up next to the bush. Have a little of it coming up through it. There we go. That's an interesting feature. And now, I'll go in with the yellow over that. So you can get quite some interesting effects and mixtures when you're using water or not, whether you're going to heat the pastels or cool them down. If you find your oil pastels are too soft to use, stick them in the fridge for a while. That'll make them a lot stiffer. This brand you don't need to do that so much, but Senneliers are so soft that it's a good idea. And last, we're going to add. Now you can see the finish. Here it is with the signature. The signature is showing up right over here. I used a dark blue, and then I put in a little more dark blue around it so you could see it. You can tell the colors get more vivid the closer they are to the front. Like this especially, this area. They're more vivid, they're more muted back here. The mountains are even more muted. The clouds are larger, higher in the sky, smaller the closer to the horizon. I've used perspective throughout this landscape to make everything seem a little more real. Thank you for joining me. And we'll be doing another project again real soon. Happy painting!